We know that when you look for an office space, you want to have a space that fits your needs, designed to suit your taste, and services that allow you to work hassle-free without thinking about running the office. Traditionally, running an office space consumes a lot of time and energy. But we at 315 Work Avenue provide services and amenities that can match your requirements so that you can focus on your core business. What really sets us apart from other co-working spaces are these 4 key ingredients: accessibility, 360-degree services, bespoke office spaces, and international health and safety standards. We at 315 Work Avenue are present in diverse, prominent locations. With businesses being dynamic, one can choose to set up offices in multiple places too. Located near public transports and other essential services, we make sure that you are surrounded by all the amenities to run your business successfully. If you are looking for an enterprise, co-working, private office space, or event space, we span across 5 lakh square feet and 9,000 plus seats to match your requirement. As there is no one size fits all, we provide bespoke office too, to match your space, taste, and style of your brand. Our 360-degree services is a brew of various allied services. As a member of 315 Work Avenue, you can harness your business interests with the help of our leading industry experts. State-of-the-art meeting facilities, exclusive access to events, and the best of all, direct access to funding from the angel investors. Sounds interesting, right? And what's work without fun? We also organize events, workshops, community activities to help you with team building and network while being entertained on a regular basis. With open lounge areas and cafeteria with contemporary style, and breakout areas conducive for your team to relax between intensive work hours. Whether an admin, site lead, or IT professional, our full-time space concierge is ready to attend to all of your requirements. You can expect around-the-clock IT services such as scanning, printing, high-speed internet connectivity, video conferencing, power backup, server hosting, and visitor management system to keep your schedules organized. Our clientele ranges from startups to growing enterprises and fully established corporations, whether long or short term. 315 Work Avenue provides office spaces with thoughtful and flexible services that fits your business budget and needs. Tap into one of our growing offices as we are present in these prominent locations across Bangalore. Discover the workspace for your success. 315 Work Avenue, your business address.